Shenzhen Huihui Xin Technology Co Limited is a professional membrane switch manufacturer integrating design, R&D, and production. The main products: membrane switch, membrane keyboard, membrane panel, metal dome, polydome, transparent window, acrylic PC material, has been widely used in electronic communications, industrial control, medical equipment, automotive industry, high-speed rail industry, instrumentation, household appliances, children's toys, military equipment, and other industries and fields. Over the years, development of the company has a large team of professional and technical personnel and first-class production personnel and equipment, and has won the title of National High-Tech Enterprise, and has successively obtained 12 national patents, passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System. Products comply with the EU RoHS Directive. At present, the main cooperative customers are CRRC, NV Technology, INVT Electric, Autel Technology, Innovance Group. We produce high-precision and high-quality products. We have developed and produced nearly 1,000 types of controllers and membrane switches, including planar, concave convex, metal shrapnel, rigid circuit boards, flexible circuit boards, and LED with light, touch, and other different types of products. Relying on a rigorous and pragmatic attitude, strong technical support, and perfect after-sales service, we provide to all customers with satisfactory products and high-quality services. Welcome to visit our company to discuss business, negotiate technology, work together, and grow together.